scientists have succeeded in completely automating a process that nature devised over millions of years. Eggs are now selected, fertilized, and developed at the perfect temperature in giant incubators, untouched by human hands. Silk production now takes place in fully automated cocoon chamber systems. Temperature and humidity are controlled by computers in these chambers, providing the silkworms with the ideal environment to thrive. Feeding on mulberry leaves, the insects quickly spin shiny cocoons around themselves. Robotic arms gently collect these cocoons, which are then softened in steam tanks and spun into thread. Modern quail production now takes place on fully automated lines. Eggs are screened using specialized selection machines, and fertilized eggs are placed in intelligent incubation chambers. Temperature, humidity, and lighting are controlled by computers, while each embryo is monitored by sensors. When the chicks hatch, robotic transporters transfer them to automated feeding and watering facilities. The entire process proceeds in hygienic tunnels untouched by human hands. Modern rabbit production is now carried out with fully automated systems. Rabbits are raised in specially designed production lines under controlled temperature and humidity. Automatic feeding machines provide each cage with the exact amount of feed and water. Health screenings are performed using sensors, and data is monitored in real time. Maternity wards are prepared in sterile and hygienic rooms, and the young are raised in special temperature chambers. The world's largest egg, and also the most meticulous production process. These birds are raised on giant farms in wide open spaces, preserving their natural behavior. When it's time to lay eggs, special sensor-based floor systems detect the eggs and direct them to automatic collectors without damaging them. The future of beekeeping is now taking shape in a quiet laboratory. In this giant factory, the lives of thousands of bee colonies are governed by artificial intelligence. Each hive's temperature, humidity, and even the bees' wing-beating speed are monitored by sensors. Intelligent systems analyze nectar flow, monitor the queen's behavior, and automatically determine the most productive times for production. Meat production is now managed by massive automated systems. In modern beef cattle factories, every cow is tracked with a digital ID. Smart feeding machines prepare custom blends based on each animal's weight and metabolic rate. Cameras constantly analyze the animal's movements and health. In modern duck production lines, nature and engineering blend seamlessly. It all begins with eggs screened by specialized selection machines. Only those with perfect embryos enter incubation chambers, where temperature and humidity are precisely adjusted. As the days pass, sensors monitor the life within the eggs, recording every vibration and temperature difference. Small, but the protein of the future, the mealworm. Millions of worms are raised on high nutrient feed in these silent factories. Automated systems constantly adjust the temperature, humidity, and light levels in each tray. Artificial intelligence detects which larvae are developing most rapidly and directs them to automated sorting lines. Welcome to one of the world's most unusual production facilities. Here, the snails don't come from nature, but from a giant snail production factory. It all begins in specially prepared humid chambers. Thousands of tiny eggs hatch under carefully controlled temperatures, revealing hundreds of tiny snails. The tilapia production line is one of the most organized and impressive examples of modern aquaculture. It all begins in giant, clean, oxygen-rich tanks. Hundreds of tilapia fry are raised in carefully controlled water temperature and nutrient levels. As the days go by, the fish grow stronger, are fed specialized feed, and when they reach a certain size, they are transferred to different tanks. The shrimp production and sorting facility is one of the most fascinating production processes in the world of marine life. Here, shrimp are born in special pools, grow, and progress through the production line as they mature. The water temperature, salinity, and nutritional balance are perfectly maintained. At harvest time, thousands of shrimp are collected with giant nets and transported to the production line. The goat production facility is one of the most impressive examples of modern animal husbandry. Hundreds of goats, each with their own personalized diet, are housed in spacious, clean pens. Watching the first steps of the new calves in the maternity ward is like a scene where life begins anew. The turtle automation system operates like a fascinating production line, carefully managing every stage from hatching to adulthood. Hundreds of eggs are kept at a precise temperature in special incubation chambers that mimic beach conditions. When the time comes, the tiny turtles break through their shells and enter the world.